Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you some simple DIY ideas using Dollar Tree items to decorate my dining table for the New Year's Eve. Stay with me to the end and enjoy these ideas. This is the way that I folded last year. I do it in a zigzag Then I just fold it in the middle and put a napkin ring that I DIY here on my channel using toilet paper roll and some items from Dollar Tree. This is the same white napkin, and this napkin is from Home Goods, and I want to show you how I'm gonna do the shape of a Christmas tree. This is the one that I'm gonna use this year. This is an idea with paper napkins. If you don't have cloth napkins, you can try this idea. It also looks beautiful. To use the shot glasses that I did with the 2024, I just put a mirror plate from Dollar Tree and this centerpiece with two cup glasses that I DIY here on my channel. And then I put a boa, the feather boa, around the mirror. If you don't have any decoration with the Happy New Year theme, you just can put some wine or champagne glasses. That's what I did here. And I put the paper napkins that I DIY it, that it looks like a bowl. Thanks for watching the video to the end. I hope that you like this idea, so please subscribe and like. That will be a present for me in the new year. And hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful new year filled of blessing and love. See you in the next one. Bye.